Hi everyone! In this video we want to discuss the interaction between levothyroxine and soy products. We also want to discuss the best time for administration of levothyroxine. If you enjoyed this topic, please watch till the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Levothyroxine is the hormone used for the management of hypothyroidism. It had many drug interactions and many food interactions also that we should consider when prescribing it. Best time for administering levothyroxine is actually 13 minutes before breakfast. It should be taken in a fasting state to reduce the interactions with other foods, or 3 to 4 hours after dinner before going to bed. Many medications affect the absorption of levothyroxine from the gastrointestinal tract. So the best time for administering levothyroxine is 30 minutes before breakfast or 3 to 4 hours after dinner. Another main point to consider is that levothyroxine has a major drug interaction with soy, actually food interaction with soy products. We should consider a time between administering levothyroxine and soy products. This interval should be at least 4 hours. So 4 hours before and after taking soy products, levothyroxine should not be administered to take the most advantage of this medication. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to ask your questions in the comments. Thanks.